The Shillong Heart Clinic welcomes Dr. Amethyst Baumann, consultant interventional cardiologist, formerly of Bynta, the Mid-City. From preventive care to advanced cardiac procedures, your heart is in safe hands. Book now at 9863050899.
Nakajing don ya kathong ban pensuk ya kajing lap kloy bat ban pej banya ya ka koj ka khia jong ki khana ki badon ki jing e hau klong snam kham tam na ka banta ki tu ki Longïing ki basam jing e ban yo jing rap na ki jaka sumar ki bakerpang ka office district medical and health office West Khasi Hills district Lingba ka Rashtriya Bal Swastha Karyakram RBSK hakakhat artre ulber araja arpunriu kala penlong ya ka free screening camp na ka banta ki khana ki badonjing pangklong snam lani congenital heart disease nadu ki badangkha hadu ki bakhat pras nam karta yakani ka jingpej banya la penlong da ka kenhun ki doctor bat ki specialist na Apollo Children's Hospital Chennai ha MCH Hospital Nongstoiñ ha ka bala wan banya Shim Bynta da ki babun ngot ki pajba bat palat sans pa ngot ki nongpang na ki Bynta ba pher jong ka district kilo wan ban register ha ka ni ka kam Haba Aijing Kran Shikilat Pathai Kubor Udi Rajkumar Senior Manager ka Apollo Children's Hospital Chennai ula Pynpaw Bahakanega Kam ka kunhun ki doctor specialist ki lapit banya ya ki khanna ki bala register bala labru ya ki kattu katni tli ki case ki badon kam ban yo ji rap sumar shu
Whether she is affordable, give that one that one. See now the problem for me also, I have aging the feet. I cannot give above 80 days I cannot do. So this is a problem. So now I have to go out of the system to help now. So you have become expert. This is Rajkumar from Apollo Children's Hospital, Chennai. We have a team of doctors, Dr. Jingsngewnguh, who is a pediatric intervention cardiologist, and we have Dr. Ajmal, who is a pediatric intervention cardiologist. And we are doing this camp here in West Khasi Hills with the help of Government of Meghalaya under the RBSK and NHL, National Health Mission. So here the DIC manager Dr. Dia is here to help us to conduct this camp, pediatric cardiac screening camp. This project is happening for last 6 to 7 years with the Meghalaya government, and we have till now we have completed around 400 surgeries, intervention and surgery both we have completed with the help of RBSK, and this is the first time we are conducting here in West Khasi Hills. And today in the camp we have got around 250 children are waiting for the screening. The children will be screened here. The cases which has been identified will be taken to Chennai for the high-end procedures, intervention and surgery. So this child will be getting benefit. So once the surgery is completed, the lifelong they will be having a better relief in the life. So there is a wonderful arrangement has been done by the here, and very good mobilization, and the counseling is also going here for the patients to understand how good is to get this treatment, and we are looking for more numbers, and we have got 2 more camps tomorrow and day after tomorrow in Shillong with the Jingsngewnguh hospital. So overall we are expecting around some 500 cases in 3 days. So around 150 cases will be selected. This is my average. So we'll tell you this after 3 days what is the actual numbers what we are going to get.
Nakaliang kikimi kikpa kila Pynpaw ke Jingsngewnguh ke bakrau ya ke Sorkar badia ke kenhuun ki doktor halor ke jing penlong ya ke ka program ke Mentoy. Bun naki kila ong bagane ka kam kala plilat ya ki khna kham tam ya gitu ki bawan na ki Longïing ki baduna bat ki baduk ban yo ya ke jing paj bania ya uklong snam bat ban yo ru ke jing sumar na ki specialist.
Nekong engi Pynpaw di semua islay. Kalau rakat mereka kata Jingsngewnguh kat nu pajba ba lewan akan mereka hospital nak kita kejingwan joki doktor kiba nak kawi ka jelah ya ka bakilwan balpej bancino dan pakin pang kan sistem hamtam pe panghat ha kan ka Nongstoiñ hang ni ni sungu ya ka prungkan ne ka lat lemar ba ni ki pajba ki bomla ban lek keleng ni sodon kam hi bawan ki doktor ka bakum ni Tila dalam kepala suha Sorkar kan penlong ya akan dengan program man kasnem ba kena bangi ki pajba inyo ban bani Bynta ki kon ki jongi ki kseu ki padon ki di pang long senam di pang hat waktu nongweng yang sungu na kentak Sorkar ya kabakan yo ban baik mana snem pada long kepala di kerpan jongi ki pajba na Bynta juga Sorkar Sorkar ka diang ya ke depan di Pynpaw sohakan penlong program penlang nem barkat asal ajut tipe kampnya penlong hakan akan kuat nang bagi Pynpaw itu senang jong ka bos kesihil barka sok bos kesihil kinyo iya gaban iyawan kumbalong menta kasni akan mereka hat lebih tarik jong nai balai juga nem hajar apa
Adena national something like your like your customer ini kerja ibadat adjusting sistem mental senam dengan senam pada iPhone ya ka ini ka government nama apa ai jing yarab yang ni mo dengan like your customer ha usna baca apa so minta ini kerja ila apa nama ila wanita dengan dokumen mo nama ba ka Sorkar kala ajnya ra ba jeni but I think ni doktor iba na personal ya sebab hanya ni ya ka government mo kala ai ban hasil hak yang ni bangun hasil of ni Nongstoiñ konsum yang ni ban lek sebut saya bang jalan ni dari situ pun macam tu kita air kecilnya ramai yang ni nanti tak ada yang ni dan juga no tinggi lah yo kalau yo semua ini pun hang apa hospital main sebab air sebut yang hamtam lagi doktor batum juga ya hamtam government no kalau aja ni rasa macam
Habatin pej bahagi ki sharp plus F
Ka plus F
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batai kamet namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing ma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam don ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya